Nature, a unique source for creating products which have been enriching our lives for centuries. Trying to obtain the maximum value from a scarce and valuable resource, wood processing companies are constantly finding new ways to fulfill this difficult task. But the pressure to produce more effectively and to maximize production yield and value is growing year by year, and constant cost-cutting may soon not be enough. Technological progress in other industries has shown us where the future lies. So we asked ourselves, isn't it time for the wood processing industry to move forward too? Then we came up with an idea. A fully automated production line based on the newest technologies and a unique laser cutting system that opens up a new era in wood processing. To fully understand the advantages of this new approach to wood processing, look closely at how a typical hardwood sawmill works. After the unedged timber is cut by a vertical bandsaw, a conveyor line takes it to the first stand to be evaluated. Based on how the wood is judged by staff, it proceeds to another saw to have its edges cut. This causes quite a lot of wood to be wasted and become primarily used to produce low-value wood chips. Material not used for timber moves to the second stage where strips are produced. Again, the sawmill staff evaluates the material and they decide what type of product should be made from the particular piece of wood. Thus, the human factor plays a large role in production yield and value. Welcome to the new era in wood processing. Imagine a production line which can increase material yield by more than 37%, average product price by 22%, and still gives you the ability to process material up to 80 millimeters thick using an ultimate laser cutting system that opens a whole new window of opportunity for your production. Right after primary cutting, fresh 30 millimeter thick unedged oak timber continues on a conveyor line to a cleaning machine. This process is crucial since it ensures highly efficient and accurate scanning and evaluation of the wood. Once the board has been properly cleaned, it can now proceed to be evaluated by the scanner and X-ray. An integrated X-ray defines defects based on their density and determines their depth. A unique scanner uncovers wood defects, such as different types of knots, cracks, pith, sap, insect deterioration, rot, and bark. Since product portfolios vary substantially, defect types and parameters can be specified according to particular needs. With a thorough evaluation of the material, the software can assign the optimal and most profitable cutting scheme, which is then carried out by a laser. In standard production, it is not possible for every employee to assign an optimal cutting plan for each piece of timber, given the high number of products, potential cutting schemes, and a very short time interval. On the other hand, a scanner combined with an X-ray can always evaluate material equally, providing error-free and quality production. Given the great variability in product dimensions, the system's ability to incorporate many different cutting plans and the flexibility in applying changes to selected schemes, this marks the first step towards profitable and high-tech production. Fully automated robotic handling provides manufacturing efficiency and reliability, as well as quality everywhere in the production process. A robotic arm adjusted to handle solid wood boards up to 4.5 meters in length feeds the material into the laser area. Once the wood has been cut, the products are automatically placed on the conveyor line or pallet. The entire line runs with only one operator and one technician to maximize effectivity. A scanner-determined optimal cutting plan is adapted by the laser cutting system, which replaces traditional saws. This unique laser solution cuts wood, either wet or dry, up to 80 millimeters thick with maximum precision. Laser cutting eliminates many of the disadvantages standard saws have. It provides maximum accuracy for each cut and creates precise angles that specifically improve production quality. A cutting width of only 0.3 millimeters, as opposed to the standard 3 to 4 millimeter cut, utilizes more wood material. No longer does money have to be spent regularly replacing saws. The wood can be cut in any direction along an XY axis and formed into any shape, bringing new opportunities for all wood processing companies. Laser cutting generates no sawdust that requires further handling in standard production and adversely affects the work environment. During the process, a laser ray singes the edges, which also offers economic advantages. When solid strips are produced, the edges need to be treated with a special coating, something which incurs additional labor and material costs. Laser singeing closes wood pores and eliminates any other treatment because there is no longer any end cracking risk. Yet the quality and appearance of processed products is not affected, since only the surface is singed and the marks can be easily removed. Developed to cover up even more areas of production, BLT Woodcut can process valuable temperature and tropical wood as well as softwood. Besides timber and other primary wood products, it can be used in product groups such as parquet top layers, veneer, and furniture components. Designed as an environmentally friendly technology, it provides the most effective use possible of scarce natural sources, minimizing the amount of wood that is wasted and preserving natural wood resources for future generations.